How to set up ADP Mobile App. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type ADP. Now click on install and wait for some time. Now tap on open. Now in this page, enter your user ID and tap on next. If you forgot your user ID, tap on forgot. Now click on forgot. Now fill up the details and tap on next and follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve your ID. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.